People who love crafts have to watch this video. Hi friends, welcome to another Nashu Kitchen Clip. Today we will be seeing how to make a speaker. You may not have any type of electric speaker, so you can make this. You can use this for parties or just for loud music, etc. The material you will need are a tissue paper roll. You can decorate it however. I put a white sheet and I decorated it, and I put some frosting melting down there and then goes around. So I'm going to make it look like this is going to be flat like this. You can use any side, or you can use colored paper to decorate it. And you will also need 2 paper cups. It can be any length. You will need an X-Acto knife, or some people call it a craft knife. And you will need a pencil. And you will need a phone or a phone case to measure how much length you will need for the hole to put your phone in. Let's get started. First you will need to keep your tissue paper roll. However, I'm going to keep it like this. I'm going to keep my phone like this and cut it out. So that this area is where I'm going to put my phone in, like this. So with a pencil, I'm going to trace where I'm going to put the phone. Just going to trace it simply. This doesn't need to be that perfect. Wait. It can be somewhat close to it, and then I'll show you after I cut it out with my X-Acto knife. You can also use scissors, but I think scissors will be a bit hard to use. Or you can first cut it out before putting the colored paper, and then you can put the colored paper and just cut the paper out. Always use parent supervision for this. It should look somewhat like this. It's okay if it's not clear, but at least your phone fits. See, I've cut it a bit longer so that it fits properly. And then, wow, and I'll show you how my phone fits. See, it fits perfectly. Let me show you a clearer view. Now it's time to go make the speaker. Let's go. Now, to make the speaker, you're going to want to take the paper cup, tilt it to the side, then measure it with any pencil, like to this according to the size, so that you can cut it out. It will be much easier because this is paper. See, it should look something. The circle should be big, and according to that, I'll show you once I'm done cutting both of them. Once I'm cutting both of them, it should look something like this. Again, when you're using sharp objects like an X-Acto knife or a craft knife, you need adult supervision. That is a must. So this is how it should look like. And then if you stick your phone in like this, wait, let me show you. It should look like this. The point should be over here, and if you put your phone in, it should be like this, and the sound will travel through these holes and it will come out. Let me show it to you properly. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button somewhere down there. And don't forget to share this video and tell it to everyone. And if you tried it and it came out very good, Smash that like button and comment down below how you did it and how it worked out. Bye!